Apart from the tariff war, the unpredictability brought by Trump 2.0's regime has also urged businesses to strengthen due diligence to avoid risks and stay on the right side of the law. While Hong Kong is in the eye of the storm amid escalating US-China tension, can it defy the odds? Cheryl Yun gains more insights from risk experts.
While the U.S. tariff war is dominating global headlines, a tougher sanctions push is quietly reshaping risks for businesses, with U.S. President Donald Trump piling pressure on corporates and banks' compliance teams with a flood of executive orders, sanctions, and supply chain upheaval. As Richard Butler, head of APAC Risk and Research at Dow Jones, puts it, the only certainty is uncertainty.
Not only do they need to do KYC, which is know your customer, you now need to do KYCC, so know your customer's customer. People need to understand who they are dealing with, both as customers and both supply chains. They need to do various different forms of research and due diligence.
Risk intelligence firm Big TXN's founder Haidam Anand said blending artificial intelligence with human expertise is key to tracking risks and sanctions on the fly.
One mistake in that area could result in an entire operation becoming handicapped for a financial institution. That could introduce other types of risks, systemic risks in the market. Well, our job is to simply track all the changes that are taking place within that universe of sanctions and look at those companies as well as the financial securities that are associated with them. We are able to show a map, and investors can use that to discover areas which they would like to avoid.
They warn that sanctions send ripples everywhere, leaving no market untouched, forcing companies to build resilience, rethink supply chains, and diversify risks. With the US-China rivalry intensifying under Trump 2.0, Hong Kong finds itself at the crossroads of geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainties. However, experts believe that by adopting a proactive risk management strategy, Hong Kong can maintain its status as a global financial hub.
Hong Kong has relatively low tax. It's got a mature regulatory system in place. It's got a very important strategic position as a gateway to China and as part of the Greater Bay Area. So I think ultimately Hong Kong will always remain an attractive area, and I think sentiment in the Hong Kong market will show that.
The next stage is digital assets, cryptocurrencies. So as a developed hub with good regulatory frameworks, and the right type of approach, Hong Kong could become a market leader in the cryptocurrency trading world as well.
In the face of Trump's storms, they believe Hong Kong has the cards to win if it plays them right. Cheryl Yun, Cable News.